I just don't even know where to start in here. I guess I'm just going to have to drag some stuff out in the driveway and start there. This is where our whole operation started, here in my home garage. We've quickly outgrown the space and it's more or less turned into storage. It's an absolute wreck in here. We're at a point at the new shop that we're out of space there as well, and we have some projects that we need to get on hand and get parts ordered and start the progress on them. But in order to do so, we have to have somewhere to, one, store those projects, and two, store the parts. So I'm going to have to clean up in here. You can see that things have just been thrown in here. It's absolute chaos. My 70 short wide C10 I drove in high school. It's been a long time in the making. Can't seem to make any progress on it due to business, but anyways, here's some engines stored for other projects, wheels, tires. But I'm gonna try to get this space cleaned up today and see what I can do with it. I've made a lot of progress, but I still have a lot of cleaning up to do. I have this entire bench back here that's just full of junk. A lot of organizing mainly that I have to do. Need to get the golf cart out of here. It's family members that I'm fixing. Get the engines over here organized, transmissions. This one here is for an upcoming video. It'll actually be a video series. May or may not have a turbo involved. There is still some hope in the near future for my 70 C10. I was gonna pull the frame, put it back outside, but I decided to leave it set up in here so that I might have some motivation to continue doing something with it. the shop space looking a lot better. It's definitely not to where it needs to be, but I do have it usable again. I'll slowly keep chiseling away at it. We've got the engines organized over here with the transmissions. I still have this entire wall to do over here. It's just kind of in disarray. Fuel injected 454, 32,000 original miles, has a great patina. Does have some light rocker rust, but that's easily repairable. Body is very straight. There is a little bit of damage here on this fender extension. There was a blowout at one point. Someone has done some not so great body work on it, but those are easily replaceable. Interior is clean in it. It's the worst part on the seat. Everything intact. Motor starts and sounds great.